Cleaning up the tail, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Are you ready to deepen your understanding of English phrases? Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, clean up the tail. This expression, though not the most common, has its place in the English language and can be quite useful in certain contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, clean up the tail, can be a bit puzzling at first glance. It's not about cleaning our tails in the literal sense. This phrase is actually metaphorical and is often used in the context of finishing a task thoroughly, ensuring that all the minor or final details are taken care of. It's like saying, make sure there's nothing left undone or overlooked. While the exact origins of clean up the tail are not clearly documented, it's generally believed to be derived from activities where completeness is crucial. For example, in painting or crafting, leaving a part unfinished can affect the whole project. In this sense, cleaning up the tail means attending to the final touches or dealing with loose ends. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. In projects. Before we submit this report, let's clean up the tail and double-check all our figures and references. 2. In day-to-day tasks, I've almost finished organizing the storage room. I just need a few more minutes to clean up the tail. As you can see, the phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts where completeness and thoroughness are emphasized. It might be helpful to know some similar phrases or idioms that convey a similar meaning. Here are a few. 1. Tie up loose ends. This means to complete the final tasks or resolve the remaining parts of something. 2. Dot the I's and cross the T's. This idiom means to be meticulous and careful about every small detail. And that's a wrap on clean up the tail. Remember, this phrase is all about ensuring that everything is complete and nothing is left unaddressed. It's a handy expression, especially when you want to emphasize the importance of thoroughness and attention to detail. We hope this lesson has been enlightening and that you'll feel confident using clean up the tail in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the nuances of the English language.